Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make good ranch dipping sauce, easy method. Gather mayo, sour cream, buttermilk, chopped herbs, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, then whisk until smooth. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or acidity with a squeeze of lemon if needed. Chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld. Serve with veggies, wings, or fries and enjoy a creamy, tangy sauce that elevates simple snacks and meals. Combine basic ingredients for a balanced ranch. Mayo, sour cream, and buttermilk form the creamy base. Add fresh chopped dill and parsley, plus garlic powder and onion powder for savory depth. Salt and black pepper are essential. Adjust to taste. A splash of lemon juice or white vinegar brightens the flavor. If you prefer thinner sauce, add more buttermilk until you reach your desired consistency before chilling. Serve chilled before dipping. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes. Quick recommendation while your ranch chills: pick cozy, darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty to keep you comfy between batches. I love their fit and durability, and they make kitchen shifts more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel and enjoy your cooking breaks. Now let's get back to the video. Start by combining mayo and sour cream, then whisk in buttermilk to reach the right pourable texture. Whisk in dried spices first for even distribution, then fold in chopped fresh herbs to preserve brightness. Always taste as you go and correct salt, pepper, or acidity with lemon or vinegar. For smoother texture, let the sauce rest and whisk again before serving to reincorporate any separated liquids. Store in an airtight container up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.